Hi guys, so I'm getting a car wash, and then because I need it to look reflective before I change it orange. No. There. Now the garage is opening. Oh, and if you're wondering where the trailer was, it wouldn't let me put the caravan on the trailer after crashing it, remember? So I'm gonna drive this home. My lorry is at work. My lorry is at work at what's it called? Oh gosh. We got a job. It's gone out to grab a what's it called? Another lorry from the bottom of the cliff. So we're going to go to my house to park this caravan in my garage. There's my trailer. Casey hasn't seen my trailer as well. You haven't seen anything I own, have you? Would you like to see it, Casey?
Yeah. Oh, it's orange.
Yep, everything I own is orange.
Why?
Because it's my new favourite colour. Even the car, look, it's my work car. Huh? The video. So there's the trailer. Now I'm going back to my house. And guys, remember in the last video I kept crashing into the man? I kept saying sorry. Now? So if you don't see the lorry, it's at work. Oh god. And guys, if it's echoey, it's because we're in the car. Oh my god! Oh! And I saved myself before crashing. I was an inch away from crashing. So luckily, I jumped then, and I didn't crash at all, actually. There was a little jump on the railing, which I did not see, and I was going full power. I couldn't turn. Nope. Sorry, guys. Now we have to turn. That way. Ah! There. Casey, ready to see my house?
Yep.
We have to turn.
What kind of house is that?
It's a farmhouse.
Oh, where is that house?
The other side of the map. And they got a double-story house. Whoa! So guys, this is the place where I put my lorry, but obviously it's out to work today. So let's open the garage. Then we'll have to go back to get my lorry from where it's being worked, because apparently it's finished. And it's actually where I bought it from.
Yay! Oh, that's heavy. Should I spell?
I'm putting it at the back so
Right.
Sure? Oh well.
Restart again.
No, I don't.
Okay.
I'm not restarting this time. Sorry guys. And this is part 2 of the other video because of Well, not part two, but I messed up the first time, didn't I, Mum?
No.
I messed up on the first time. Then I needed to restart the video.
What? You pooed. Have you pooed?
Ah! One. So I need to disconnect the trailer to go get my other trailer, and then we're gonna, because we have to go get lorry from where it's getting work done to it. And Casey was really excited to see my lorry, aren't you, Casey?
Yep.
Oh gosh, I crashed again. I've been crashing non-stop, have I, Casey?
Yep. Part 2, part 1.
Then I need a... That's the pan. Oh, I was recording again.
Do you see you have to record again?
I was recording while saying it, even though I paused it. Well, let's get to my other trailer to go get my lorry. Whee! On Casey, be aware, picking up the lorry on with this trailer is a mess. Oh, what is that? Guys, I'll see you when I get the lorry out the shop. They've got the truck. The lorry. Ah! Guys.
Who's yes in a way?
So now we are getting this big lorry hunting trailer. The next video, guys, I have a little plan. I want to see what it looks like when I put two of the same cars in the garage. Come on. Yes, bestie. Oh gosh, don't want to go that far. Let's turn the engine off. Now I need to all my lights on. So everything's on. Oh, why is it? The lights on. Yeah. Come on, Took, you got it. No, don't go back. Guys, I forgot to connect this. So where it makes it stop moving. Come on. Wow! Well, over there, guys, is where I got this truck. Okay. I think I'm gonna have to do that. Done.
So